What if you could de-risk the challenges of conversion, integration, and ongoing maintenance of your debt management solution? What if you could eliminate the time and expense for your provider to make changes? What if upgrades could happen in weeks and didn't require a $1 million plus project? That's Optimus by Telrock. We de-risk the 3 biggest challenges stopping organizations from adopting a great debt management solution: conversion, integration, and maintenance. Our configurable SaaS solution allows your business analyst to build and update workflows and integration points. Integrations can be either real-time APIs or file-based, and as a SaaS solution, Telrock takes care of all upgrades. You choose what features to turn on to meet your business needs. Our approach means less reliance on your IT resources and the flexibility to make changes as needed. Contact Telrock Systems and learn how Optimus can revolutionize your business.